Only in Kansas City will you see this. Where it's a beautiful summer day, 1 minute, and then the very next day, there's a snowstorm. Welcome to spring break in Kansas City. That's what you got. Y'all need to get regular food too. This is not just a sweet station. Come on. What do you want? Want any of this stuff? You don't like it? Look, they got broccoli. Come on. Want some rice? I give you a little rice. Back to the table. You don't want rice? You gotta eat regular food too, Randy. I got you just a little bit, look. Just got you a little bit. That's all you want to try? That's all y'all got? Where's the regular food at?
I want to get some regular food and that. I want to get some regular food so I can that.
My plate. Woohoo! Y'all can get some pop after y'all eat regular food.
I want to eat regular food and cream pie.
That's what Daddy got.
So put that hot sauce on my he didn't put it on there.
Look at they plates, Randy.
The other dude asked me to put it on there.
Is it good?
Actually, I'm going to
Hey man, are you
Gotcha.
My food is almost gone.
Yeah, give it flavor.
I didn't really like that,
You give flavor on your food too.
but this was good. What is this called? I never knew.
chicken on a stick.
Lemon is actually good for your throat too.
Mushrooms.
I taste that.
Want another mushroom? You don't like mushrooms?
It's sour.
Look at your plate. It looked like you ain't really ate nothing.
For me?
Yeah, Randy.
Well, that's because he has to eat anything. It's so good.
It's all kind of funny tasting to me. Out here looking at this. Tried to do my makeup today.
You did not answer
Let's makeup.
I thought you were blushing.
So, yeah. We're at the China Garden Buffet. And the food is okay, it's cool, but it tastes a little nasty. It tastes a little funny. It's overpriced and doesn't taste that well. Oh, they're not around. But you know what really tastes good here? You know what's really, really good here? The water.
What?
You combined yours.
I ain't eating.
It ain't all that for you? Because of the hot sauce they left on?
He didn't cook it long enough for some.
Them noodles look kind of funny. I don't know about the rice, but the noodles look kind of...
This peppers ain't even cooked, man.
Oh, they ain't. Nope, I could tell. They don't even look like they hit the heat. Look at this shrimp. It look, to me, it don't even look like it's cooked either. I don't know what all that is.
No, but what?
The rice.
Land it in ice, Mommy.
The rice looks kind of dry.
The sample's in ice.
Look, this is the dessert bar.
Oh, I see ice cream. How do we get it out? What do we do?
We need a spoon. This is the ice
We
cream.
need a spoon.
Winter Wonderland in the middle of spring break. Okay, so it finally stopped snowing and we are on our way to Ikea. Here, okay? This way, guys. Uh-oh, sorry. Randy! Randy! This is the perfect little bed for little Randy.
They got some clothes.
Oh, this bed is not much at all. That's only $149 for the frame.
Ooh, look at this.
It's a cute little kitchen. I think Randy is always excited about the refrigerator. Little stove. Very nice. One of my favorite features is about the here is I like the freezer down there. Look, and with the freezer being down here, you have that part. And you have that. It's a little storage, you know, where you could put different things in. This is a nice and open living room to kitchen. This is kind of how I would like our living room and kitchen to be. Just open that kind of flow right into each other. You see that? I just like how they flow into each other. Yep. Trash cans.
I think we went through and saw this before.
You think so? do y'all think about these countertops?
Yes, I like it.
They're okay. It's just, I don't know. They look kind of cheap.
So for this, let's check out the
So at this point, we had been almost all the way through Ikea, and we weren't really there to buy anything. This was just a day that we were window shopping. We had dropped Daddy off at home so we could take as much time as we wanted to just kind of walk around without feeling rushed, you know. This I like. Guys, this is nice.
I'm not feeling it.
No, just this, the TV stand for the TV. Look inside these drawers. Open them up. Let's see how deep they are. Okay, this is a cabinet. I thought that was a drawer. Oh, this. Open it up. That's neat. We put all our DVDs in here. I like that.
I do like that. Put your little thing over there.
And then what is up here? Oh, I see.
Guys, look.
Oh my goodness, this would be a nice little sitting area for my office.
Oh, ooh, this looks doors. Not that. I'm not.
Those, I believe, are file cabinets. Look, those are file cabinets, and it has a lock on it. So basically, you have a code, and you have to print, you know, select the code, and then it allows you to open up the cabinet. And this is where you keep all your important documents, personal information. So if something ever happens, like somebody break into your house, they wouldn't know the code to get in and steal your identity.
That's a good plan.
Look how adorable this is. The store is more crowded than usual today because it's a weekend, so everybody's off and in here.
Oh, a couch.
Here's a kid's room.
Oh, I think that was somebody else. That's me.
Reagan. Now, I like these.
Oh, I like the ow.
Nice little bed.
Yeah, Mommy, this is the best part. If somebody pushes you off, you can get back on right here.
Now this is nice. I like the colors and everything in this room. This is nice. Girls' room. Now that's a pretty wall color actually. It's different and it's bright and it's pretty.
This mirror, Mommy.
I know you enjoy that mirror. But just look how cute it is, how bright it is, and how the bed and the wall coordinates with each other.
This is kind of pretty, but put everything in pink and I like it.
Okay. This is more of your style. Everything about this room says your name. Every single thing, from the little netting over the bed, the pictures, the little chandelier. Now this is cute, and it's only $39.
Hey, Mommy, look! I could put my picture of me right here. I love this room.
Now, I will admit, this is a beautiful room. In fact, if I wasn't married, I would love to have this room for myself. But I know my husband will not go for some pink, bright, girly looking room. Either way, this is like a dream room for my girls. I love how light the pink is and the white, the little workstation area. I love just everything about this room, the bed, the netting over it, and I just think it's just a perfect little spot for a little girl to grow from little girl to even teenage years. So I think Ikea really outdid themselves with this cute little room. And of course, I like the bedding as well. When you see my daughter there enjoying it too. But this is just adorable. I can't say too much more about it. Look, Randy, look, this is a perfect room for you. This would be a great bed for him. And it's only $179. Uh-oh, the little rock band dragging you in the way. Look at these beautiful lamps. Look at this one, guys. What does this look like? What does this one look like?
I don't know.
You know those things in the summertime that you blow?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here's some more nice looking lamps. Oh my God, look at this cool lamp. Look at this.
Oh, that's neat.
See it closed?
That looks cool.
And see it open. We are going into Walmart to get some cake for Daddy's birthday. Cake and ice cream. And make a special dinner.
This smells delicious.